So in this video, we're gonna talk about video partners on display network, how to exclude them, and what happens when your campaign stops spending when you do. Now, video partners on display network is something that previously we could uncheck and we can only show up our inventory on YouTube itself. However, as of, I wanna say 3 to 4 months from now, we have to include them. Now, luckily, just a few weeks ago, Google has given us a way of excluding these video partners using Google AdSense _ YouTube.com. I'm not saying that it's not going to work if you leave the video display partners on. I like to start out excluding those. Now, there are instances where once you do that exclusion, your campaign stops spending. Why is that the case? Well, think of it this way. Google is looking at your audience and the factors that you give it, and it's saying, okay, we're gonna try to get you the conversions that you want. It's gonna look at your account performance, your past performance, other people running the same type of ads, and is going to use that to determine that information. Now, if your audience is too small from the beginning, it's probably gonna say, hey, I feel constrained, so I'm not going to get conversions. And when that happens, it just stops spending. Having said that, let's just say you have the broadest audience possible, no targeting, and you are running these ads and you've excluded display, but for whatever reason, it's not spending. Then, maybe there's a policy issue with your ad that you don't know about and the account hasn't notified you of. That's something I would check out with Google Ad support. Or sometimes your ad is just not good enough. As simple as that. And they just think it will not work. Now, you can always relaunch the campaign, because usually whenever you start a campaign, in the first 24, 48 hours, Google is gonna go and look for everything. It's gonna look for every possible way to get your campaign to not only spend, but convert. But if it can't figure that out within the time frame and it stops spending sooner rather than later, then there's probably one of those two things. It's probably your audience size, or you probably gotta work on getting new creatives. Let's just say you reach a point where things are working, but you try something out or push more spend towards a certain campaign and see if it works. I'm sure that there has to be something that it may work for, but 9 times out of 10, I would prefer excluding them from the beginning, also excluding mobile apps from the beginning, and working it that way. If your campaign's not spending after excluding them, remember, your audience is probably too small, or there's an issue with your creative. Now, if you wanna get more free tips, check out our YouTube ads channel, and we'll have tons of tutorials 100% for free. If you feel like you need something step-by-step, super detailed, get on our weekly calls, check out our courses for you. Just click on the link, book a call, and see if we can help you and your team out with YouTube ads.